Abby Delray South residents. Jennifer Stevens here with a town hall update. COVID-19 update. Currently, we have 0 residents in the health center or independent living that have positive COVID. We have 2 team members that have tested positive. They are resting at home under the care of their physician. I'm very excited to talk about our vaccine. Our first dose of the Pfizer vaccine will be administered on January 28th. To date, we have 198 residents signed up to take the vaccine. It's a wonderful number. Once we get the final count, we will set up the times for everyone to come into the auditorium. It will be by appointment only. We will go by each floor of the building and each section of the garden homes. We ask that you sit for 15 minutes after the vaccine to make sure you don't have any adverse reactions or allergic reactions. CVS will be administering the vaccine and will have a full emergency kit present in case there are any adverse reactions. There will be a consent form that must be filled out prior, and you will need to bring your insurance cards. The vaccine is free, but there's an administrative fee that your insurance will cover. Stay tuned for more specific information as we move into next week. I want to talk a little bit about our resident satisfaction survey that we put out in December. Unfortunately, we did not have a great participation rate. Only about 30% of the residents returned those surveys. But I do want to discuss the outcome of the survey. Overall, we did really well. We showed improvement in many areas. There are 2 areas that we are not showing improvement in, and I just want to address those real quick. One is having long-term confidence in LifeSpace, and the other one is long-term confidence in my community. Those are 2 sections of the survey that we did not do very well in. I know that occupancy is a concern for us all, and it is something that is crucial moving forward to this year. LifeSpace has given us an extensive budget, over $700,000 for marketing this year. That's the most I've ever seen. We no longer will partner with Glenn Devins, our former marketing company, and we will work with local and in-house marketing experts moving forward. We have a photo shoot planned for this quarter in which we will update all of our photos and the marketing materials and on our website. We have plans to reorganize the website and update it as it's in need of being more user-friendly and innovative. We also have an extremely talented new sales director, Chantel Sinclair, who's overseeing the sales departments at both Abby Delray and Abby Delray South. As I've said previously, we're joining forces so that we can be more efficient with our sales process. If a prospective resident comes to Abby Delray or Abby Delray South, there's nothing we can't offer them with our combined inventory and amenities. We ended 2020 with 3 sales, 2 of them garden homes, 1 an apartment, and we have some excellent momentum moving into 2021. We had a sales event yesterday with 7 prospects, and they had an excellent experience with Chef Willie performing a chef's demonstration. We actually received a deposit after that event. Some of our residents have asked me, why are we having sales events in the middle of COVID? The answer is we absolutely have to. We have to keep the sales process moving despite the pandemic. We are following all safety guidelines, masks, social distancing, temperature checks, everything. We cannot stop our sales operations. We can't afford to waste 1 single minute. I hope you all understand and support this as it is an urgent necessity that we continue to move forward with sales to keep our community financially viable. As far as confidence in LifeSpace, it's very important for you all to know how much support this community receives from LifeSpace on a regular basis. I have a team of regional directors that support our community and me personally. We have billers at the home office that handle all of our Medicare and insurance billing. They manage our debt service, making sure that we pay our bond payments. We have attorneys, benefit plan management for our team members' benefits, marketing, sales experts. We could not operate as a community without these partners. Not to mention Jesse Jansen and Eddie Finoglio, who have provided us with the most realistic and attainable budget I have ever seen in my time at LifeSpace. Our budget is to have 29 move-ins with 29 move-outs or attrition. So that's basically a wash with occupancy. And on top of this budget, they are investing over $5 million in improvements this year, inclusive of a health center overhaul, converting the entire Cypress Ring to private suites, and adding private suites to the other hallways as well. The leisure center will be converted to a state-of-the-art therapy gym with space for more equipment and private treatment areas. Again, we would never be able to have these things, these improvements, without LifeSpace and the obligated group that we are a part of. LifeSpace will continue to invest in our community and ensure our financial stability. There is no need for any of our residents to worry about the financial future of our community. People ask me all the time, what can I do to help you? I have some answers. What I need from you all is a positive attitude towards LifeSpace. Despite the history, despite what's happened in the past, we need to move forward and we need to be positive. I also ask that you're friendly and hospitable when you see our sales team members doing tours in the community. It's very important. We are all members of the sales team, and we need you to share with people your positive experiences. This past year has been extremely difficult for all of us, as well as our country. Despite this difficulty, we have been able to accomplish many things here at Abbey Del Rey South. The hiring of an excellent health center administrator and director of nursing, an HR director, a sales director, several sales counselors, housekeeping supervisor, maintenance supervisor, the promotion of Lee Justice to the director of community services, a new landscaping company, successful management of COVID, 12 sales despite the pandemic, not one team member laid off due to the pandemic, generous donations to our team member emergency fund, and higher donations to the team member holiday fund than last year, thanks to you all. And finally, the COVID vaccine for all residents and team members. This would not have been possible if it weren't for the hard work and determination of Dr. Sarah Ham and the whole LifeSpace team. We are all very fortunate to be part of the LifeSpace family. Abbey Del Rey South is a wonderful place to live and to work. We will continue to grow and evolve. 2021 will be an excellent year as we work together. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day.